Hello everyone, I am Shivang Singh, currently here working as a technical engineer in Semco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to make demonstrate video regarding this cell comprehensive tester machine, or also we called it multifunction tester machine of the cells. As we are calling this machine as a multifunction tester, so this machine has a multiple parameters that we can test, like IR testing, charging, discharging and capacity. Now comes to the technical part of this machine. This machine takes a single phase power supply through this adapter. Here look at this button. This is power button. This is for the selection of the current, constant current selection. This is for the capacity, and this is the auto capacity testing machine. This button is for the charging, and this button is used for the selecting the lithium battery or the nitrate metallic batteries, and this is for the testing the IR resistance, and this for the scan CCC. This will auto detect the constant C rating of the cell. This machine comes with this cell holder. We just need to put this cell into this cell holder like this. After the connection, here we can see that the LED is burning. That means our connection is okay. We just need to connect this USB plug to this hole like this. As you can see that it automatically detects the voltage of this SOC level of this battery in the display. From here we can turn off this machine or turn on this machine. Okay. Now from this button we can select 0.5 ampere, 2 ampere or 1 ampere for the charging or discharging purpose. From this button, after pushing this button, this cell start discharging, and here we can see the real time capacity of the cell. Now from this button, that is charging, from this button we are selecting the current for the charging and discharging. From this button we just after pushing this, our cell start discharging, and here we will see the discharging AH like capacity. From this button, after selecting the ampere like 1 ampere, after this cell starts charging on the rating of 1 ampere. From this button, here we can select lithium-ion or metal. From this button we can select the type of the cell we are using. Like we have two options in this machine. First is for lithium-ion, and second is for the nickel metal hydride, like nickel metal hydride, and Li for the lithium-ion. And from this button we can check our internal resistance of this cell from here. Here now we can see that 13 milliohm is the AC IR of this cell. From this, here after pressing this button, here we can this will automatically detect the SOC level of the cell and the AC IR of the cell. And after this, for using this automatic discharging, we just need to first press the charging button, and after that we just need to press this button. These buttons work in automatic mode. First it will charge the cell fully and discharge the cell fully, and after that here we can get the complete capacity of the cell. Also, this machine comes with this cable for the prismatic cell testing. We just need to connect this and just connect this plus point and this negative point on the prismatic cells, and after that all the function will be same. So this was all about this multifunction tester machine. You can visit our head office for live demo of this machine and as well as remaining machine at the Semco Infratech Private Limited. Thank you for watching our videos.